We're gonna make a chocolate bar squishy out of sponges and tape. I feel like a squishy unboxing YouTuber. Look at all those defects. Oh. Look, the defect is getting bigger. What? This is so cheap. Ah. Now let's color it. You know what, this isn't really working, so I'm gonna put the tape on and then color it. I think we can color it now. Remember, I can still add tape even after I color it. So it took a while, but I colored the chocolate part, and now we use this marker to do the foil wrapper. We're almost done. I don't want to squish it because I'm going to get marker all over my hands. There it is. Now let's put a face. So I'm putting tape over the entire thing again just to keep the marker from coming. Look how slow rising that is. Okay, let's decorate it a bit more. There's the mouth. And now let's just draw those lines. And I have this foil. Put it kind of maybe on the side. See, I just kind of cut a strip and then there you have it, a squishy with no puffy paint, no memory foam, and it's slow rising, but let's see how slow rising it is. This is so fun to play with.